Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 3D logo in Canva Mobile. Let's begin. So once you open up the Canva Mobile app, you're going to go to the bottom and then select the plus icon. And then you can just choose the size of your presentation. So we have the Instagram post, which is about 500 times 500, and then your story, mobile video, and then presentation. So the mobile video is around, let's say 9 by 16. So we are going to use Instagram post, for example. So now what we're going to do is we are going to add in some text. So if we scroll down, you're going to see a heading, add a subheading, and then add a little bit of body text. Because since we're going to make this text big, I'm going to use the section which says add a heading. Then once you're done, you're just going to change the letters. And then if you want to make it bold, you're going to highlight the entire thing. And then if you want to change the text color, go to select that option there where it has that rainbow. And then I'm going to use this one, for example. So there, hello world. So then we're going to highlight the entire text again. So if you select the text only once, you're going to get a few options there at the bottom. So we have fonts, text styles, and then the font size, color, format, spacing, and then we are going to select effects. After selecting effects, you're going to go to the option which says shadow. And then if you want to customize it, you're just going to select it again. And then you can change the offset if you want to. So if you want to make it like thicker, you're going to drag it to the right, like so. And then you can also change the direction if you want to. So I'm going to keep it to the right side there. And then you can even add in some blur if you want to. And then you can also change the transparency. So there you go. 3D text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.